Hey everybody, thanks for coming in. I'm going to give you a sound sample here of the La Historia. This is my second La Historia. I made one that's a slide guitar, which is also available, and this one's fretless. But I thought I have an extra large box, and so I thought I'd try a full feature one. So this one has a full coil, or a single coil, volume and tone, and just has a really great all-around sound, and gets plenty of action through this coil too to amp this guy up. So give you a little look here, what we're looking at. Had a little fun on the headstock, and let's get a listen here. So first, a little acoustic. So a little acoustic. Now let's put a little electric in here. And you can play around with your tone as well, depending on the sound you like. User error. Let's do it just a little bit here of mellow it down a little bit. I really love slide with these. If you haven't learned slide and this is your first cigar box guitar, definitely want to pick up a slide because they're a lot of fun. La Historia, thank you. Give it a buy.